So what we are going to need is some Allen's apple juice. We are going to need some blackberries, some kiwis, a whole mango, 5 to 6 cubes of ice, and then about a cup of yogurt. So my name is Alan from Coach Alan Recipes. You may have also seen me on Basketball Coach Alan as well. Now, right now in this video, what we're going to be making is a smoothie recipe. It's going to be called the Mango Kiwi Blackberry Smoothie. Now, why are we using these fruits? So number one, blackberries are high in vitamin C, but they're also high in magnesium. And did you know, this is a fun little fact, that every cell in your body needs magnesium. So that's just a cool little tip. But anyways, going over to the kiwi. And then for the kiwis, what you're getting is a ton of vitamin C, which is going to give you that energy, especially if you're playing basketball for a very long period of time. But you're also getting, with one whole kiwi, almost a whole gram of protein. So that's going to be great for your muscles to heal as well. Next is the mango. And what mangoes are going to give you is a lot of vitamin C, again, for that energy that you're going to need, but also vitamin A. So that's going to help your bones absorb that calcium, which comes from the yogurt. Yogurt is obviously great when it comes to calcium, but also great when it comes to protein for your muscles to heal. And then obviously the apple juice, because it's Allen's, of course. But no, again, vitamin C and all that stuff. But anyways, let's get down to making the actual smoothie. So what we're going to need is 5 to 6 cubes of ice. And then you're going to need that roughly 1 cup of yogurt. And you're just going to splash it in. Try to get all of it if you can. If not, you can just eat it afterwards. And then you're going to have a half to 1 whole mango. So we're going to splash this in. Hopefully we got enough space. We're going to add the kiwis as well. Not the New Zealanders, but the fruit itself. And then once we add all of that in, we are going to add a handful of blackberries. Now, it all comes down to personal preference, but I like to add a good 6 or 7 if my fingers want to work. You know what? Let's add 10. Because why not? And then we're going to add that apple juice just to make it liquidy, just a little splash, not a ton. And then we're going to mix it up. So here we have the smoothie, the kiwi, mango, and blackberry smoothie. Now, this is a great recipe for you to do, again, before or after a basketball training session or before a workout, no matter what sport you play. Again, this is going to be great for cellular health because you're getting that magnesium. It's going to be great because you're getting that protein, and you're going to be having a ton of energy because you're getting that vitamin C, which is, in many people's opinions, natural like caffeine, which it's not going to give you that much energy, but it's still not bad for energy. So let's take a taste. And it's absolutely amazing. Now, I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. This is a really good smoothie for anybody to try. It's really healthy. It's going to be great for everybody. It's a nice day. It's a nice blue sky with a little bit of cloud. So let's sit outside, enjoy this smoothie together.